Hello, my name is Hans Veldman, Every Angle company, and I would like to show you a demo of our system, answering the question, how can you find open purchase orders with too high quantities? So the case is, in this little demo system that we have, it's a trade company. We buy materials, we buy goods from a supplier and sell these goods in smaller quantities to our customers. But sometimes we find out that the stocks that we have for a certain material is much too high. And then the question is, how come, why did we order too much from a certain supplier? The reasons for buying too much could be, or the cause could be, incorrect planning parameters. There could be a change in demand, customer orders that were cancelled, for example. There can be a change in the bill of material when you have a production company. It could be a human error, a typing error, or things like that. What I would like to demo is how you can find purchase orders with too high value of the unallocated output. So what Every Angle does is it tries to allocate all the materials that come in to consuming orders. And if there's too high a gap, then it will call it a value of unallocated output. Let's go to the system to show you how you can do that. This is the Every Angle system. I will create a new angle, so I'll create an angle from scratch. And therefore I will use a template that is created in the purchase to pay area. The templates are organized by activities. So there's plan your purchasing, manage your open purchase documents, manage the special processes in purchase to pay, and manage your invoices. For this example, we will take a look at the open purchase documents with external suppliers. Double click on it. A new angle is created with the template copied into it. We will give it a new name. So this is the name of our angle, purchase orders with output below 90%. And we will change the definition of this angle. The definition is that we will not look into orders that have a supplying plan. So these are intercompany deliveries. We're not interested in that one. We're not interested in return orders, so we filter them out. We're not interested in polluted orders. We filter them out. And we only want to see those orders that are MRP relevant, meaning that SAP is still expecting a goods movement on these orders. We will add an additional filter line because we only want to see those orders that have an output allocation, so set a filter on this field, that is smaller than, let's say, 90%. Add this filter. Okay, save. So, then the system finds 165 purchase orders that meet that requirement. We can look at the list of those orders, for example, by using display the basic list. You can see all the details of the orders. You can add fields like, for example, what is the value of the part of the order that is not allocated. The material value unallocated within 90 days. So the system looks 3 months in the future and tries to allocate the quantity that we're buying to all the consumptions that are expected in this period. And what is still left of it, that is what he calls material value unallocated in 90 days demand. So here you can see the values. What we can do, just as an example, is make a chart for all the suppliers. We want to see by which suppliers are we buying too much materials. Where are we spending money on which supplier that we shouldn't spend, or at least wait another 30 days for it. Here you can see a chart for all the suppliers. Let's have a look at the values. Material value unallocated. Remove the count and maybe change the format into millions. Okay, and maybe another chart type. This one. Apply. We can sort the chart, so you can immediately see the worst cases, and here you can see that this supplier, Kugelmeier DE, we are spending about 15 million euros in the near future for materials that we don't need in the next 90 days, which is really a waste of money. And so these materials will immediately be part of the excess stocks that you have. So this is the demo, how you can find purchase orders with too high quantities. Where are you spending money that we shouldn't do? Thank you for watching.